what you gotta do to pre-mix. It takes a lot longer to fill up a car on an RX7, is what I realised. Anyways, so give it a nice swoosh around all the oil. What's going on? Taking the FC for a roadworthy right now. So nice little cruise in the morning. Only problem is right now in Australia it's like 40 degrees, so we're gonna drop off the car early and hopefully we get it early, see what happens. But at the same time, didn't record up the startup just because I was a little bit scared. I'm like, maybe it might not start today. But now she's starting good, she's running fine. She's a little bit over revving herself at 8,000, 9-ish. But I reckon if we just push it a little bit, she should go down. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna go to my brother's house, then we're gonna drop it off. Oh yeah, boy.
It's funny how the speedo works perfectly when I'm driving.
I don't think we're doing 100, bro. It's another day and there might be another problem with the RX7. So anyways, so I got this car back from a shop a few weeks ago and my alternator was very loose, but seems to be fine today. We'll see, because last night the car just kept cutting out of random points. Like wasn't losing power, it was just more the interior just kept cutting out. But it seems to be fine now, which anyways we're going to take it for a rip tonight. Pretty much the first rip, so pretty excited. This car's been costing me a lot of money in fuel recently, so it'll be today, tomorrow, and that's it until the next weekend. But yeah, I'll pick up the vlog once we take the RX7 out. So I wasn't going to film this process, but it's just me taking off the radiator and just removing all the coolant and stuff. But here we go. Guys, look at that. That's not meant to be proper coolant, if we can see it. But then this one, and this is what came out of it. Came out of the radiator. Look, I'm not no expert, but I don't think that's meant to be in it. No one's thinking, why are we taking why am I taking all this apart and I just got the road, and I just got a roadworthy onto the road? Well, anyways, I'm doing this just because my water pump's leaking. I don't know how, but I will set the clip of just the water pump just leaking, so it's best just to change it all and refresh it. So we're going to refresh a bunch of bits in it as well, in the FC, because yeah, it looks like it hasn't been looked after that well. We're just chucking random stuff into it, so it needs a good flush and everything. And once it flushes, I guarantee this car will run 100% better and probably more reliable. So let's do that, and I'll pick up the camera when I get all my parts in, because it's Christmas and New Year's, so nothing's gonna be open. It's a new day to fix the RX7. I'm bold. Let's get started. All the parts came in for the RX7. The water pump gasket as well, the thermostat, but we've got no thermostat gasket, which is a little bit annoying. So I'll call up Mazda and let's just go OE on the gasket. But I'm gonna rip out the old water pump. Hopefully this is a 10-second job. Chuck the new water pump back in and start putting everything back together, and then hopefully the RX7, fingers crossed, leak is fixed, and we get some rims and make it look good. Just ripped out the water pump out of the FC, and my god, like, I don't know how it just didn't fail sooner, but fuck, this is what it looks like on the inside. Jesus, that is not good at all. Lots of rust around it. It makes me a little scared what's inside the engine, a little bit, but it needs a good wash in the coolant. Like, that's putrid. That's bad. So it looks like there's stop leak around it. It looks, maybe they tried putting stop leak in this so it can I don't know, maybe it failed at one point and they put stop leak through the coolant system and it looks like it failed, because there's a lot of stop leak in this, and honestly, hopefully that's the only stop leak I see. So we'll see how it goes. It's a new day, RX7 is fixed, everything is put back together. I'm going to take it for a test drive in your back streets, so we'll see how it goes. I do see a little bit of leaking coolant I'm not really happy about on one of the hoses, so we're just going to replace the hose, replace the clamp, but besides from that, I reckon it will run good, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so yeah, so we're in the FC, we're in the RX7. Temps are running pretty good right now, so I'm pretty happy. I will put the windows up so we can get better noise, but yeah, let's see. Hopefully the camera stays on. I haven't done this in so long. It's been a while since I've been on. Look, we don't have much brakes because, like, it's been sitting for so long, so see what I mean? That's like almost foot to the floor. Oh, my door's open. Ah! Let's just hope the camera doesn't die. What happened? But my foot, it was just accelerating, it wasn't stopping. Okay, that's a problem we gotta take off the list. Holy shit, my heart is, whoo. Oh. Holy crap. I do not know. That's like genuine reaction as well. Holy fuck. I'm not sure, but we're gonna take the camera off regardless.